How far can the human eye see? Subscribe, Universal Tutor. The maximum distance the human eye can see depends on several factors, including the level of illumination, atmospheric conditions, and the size and contrast of the object being observed. Here are some general guidelines for how far the human eye can see. In ideal conditions, under perfect conditions with clear skies and no obstructions, the human eye can theoretically see objects as far as 2.4 miles, 3.86 kilometers, away on the horizon. This is known as the visual horizon, and beyond this distance, the curvature of the Earth obstructs the view. At night, in very dark conditions with minimal light pollution, the human eye can detect stars and other celestial objects that are much farther away. Some of the brightest stars visible from Earth are hundreds or even thousands of light years away. With telescopic aid, with the assistance of telescopes and binoculars, humans can observe objects in space that are millions or even billions of light years away. Telescopes gather and magnify light, allowing us to see distant astronomical objects. On the moon, which has no atmosphere to scatter light, the human eye can see objects over much greater distances than on Earth. Astronauts on the moon have reported being able to see Earth from a distance of hundreds of thousands of miles. It's important to note that in practical, everyday conditions, several factors can limit how far we can see. Atmospheric conditions. Atmospheric distortion, haze, and the scattering of light by particles in the air can reduce visibility, especially over long distances. This is why distant objects often appear blurry or less distinct. Obstructions. Objects between the viewer and the target can obstruct the line of sight. For example, mountains, buildings, or vegetation can limit how far we can see. Lighting. Poor lighting conditions, such as low visibility due to fog, rain, or darkness, can significantly limit how far we can see. Human vision. The ability to see distant objects also depends on individual factors, including visual acuity, age, and eye health. Some people may have better long-distance vision than others. In summary, the human eye's ability to see varies based on conditions and what is being observed. While we can see objects relatively far away on a clear day, our vision is greatly extended when aided by optical instruments like telescopes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.